Hola, hola, dango bafowethu. Welcome to Kaizer Chiefs True News Sport. Bafowethu sibhekelele ama-penalty we-Golden Arrows ne-Marumo Gallants bafowethu. Marumo Gallants bafowethu, they didn't play well in game time, but they managed to ukuthi bathathe ama-best penalties, guys. I-Golden Arrows, I think into enye bashayile ucoach uManqoba Mnqithi bafethu. I think he's the one who put i-Golden Arrows under pressure because he wasn't looking happy. He was angry, guys, ukuthi how come he's not winning but he's dominating the game. So into efana naleyo ibe sometimes ingahlali kahle emaplayeni bafethu, inikeza amaplayer i-pressure, because if you are taking a penalty and then you are under pressure, you will end up shaking, and when you are shaking, you are doing the wrong thing because the foot is also shaking, and then when your leg is shaking, you cannot take a proper penalty. We saw Umatlaba, he took a very poor penalty, guys. That was a very poor penalty. Even Nama can do better in that penalty, but what we can say, it's part of football, guys. It's part of football because of izinto ezinjalo when you are under pressure. Because Nami, when I'm playing and then I'm not being coached, I won't be under pressure. But if I'm taking it for a team, in order for the team to win, guys, I will be under pressure. I will be very under pressure, guys. But anyway, well done to Marumo Gallants. For my side, I just wanted Golden Arrows to win so that they can replay their match with the Orlando Pirates, guys. But because Marumo Gallants, they don't offer a lot inside the ground, but we don't know what they will do. Maybe they will come up with a better solution to fight against the Orlando Pirates. But anyway, it's not a problem. Even if Orlando Pirates won, if they win or Marumo Gallants win, it's not a problem because all of them, they are South African teams, guys, and I would love to see one of them winning. Even if it's Orlando Pirates, if they are winning, it's a good thing because of they are a big team like Kaizer Chiefs.